Welcome to the first module of the course, Understanding How Students' Professional Skills and Capabilities Are Developed in Distance Education. We are Amparo Hormigos and Javier Gimenez, from University of Alicante. This module is divided into 3 videos. Video 1, Professional Skills and Capabilities in Distance Education. Video 2, Micro-Credentials. Video 3, The Role of University Career Services. By the end of this module, you will have learned to rethink your existing digital tool suite, LMS, Trello, or Miro, as intentional laboratories for practice-based skill development. Integrate generative artificial intelligence, AI, as a powerful co-pilot for enhancing student critical thinking and digital efficiency. Define and articulate the value of microcredentials as a recognized, modern currency for professional development and employability. Identify and implement specialized digital mentorship and virtual networking. Now we are going to start with the first video of our first module, Developing Professional Skills and Abilities in Distance Education. In this video, we'll explore distance education and professional skills, tools and strategies to enhance skills, generative artificial intelligence as a facilitating tool. Let's begin with the broader context of distance education. Part 1. Distance Education and Professional Skills. So, what exactly is distance education? At its core, it's a formal education model where the student and the instructor are physically separated. This separation is bridged by technology. It's important to understand that it's not just about technology, it's a distinct pedagogical approach designed to be student-centered. This model is entirely reliant on technology to function, from our learning management systems to video conferencing tools. This separation also places a great deal of responsibility on the student, fostering a high level of autonomy. And finally, a major benefit is the flexibility and accessibility it offers, allowing people to learn from anywhere in the world. In this way, distance education offers unique opportunities to strengthen professional skills. But what are professional skills? They are a comprehensive set of abilities, knowledge, and personal attributes that enable an individual to perform tasks effectively, work well with colleagues, and succeed in their career. They are a combination of what you know, hard skills, and how you behave, soft skills. These skills are crucial for career progression, as they allow you to not only do the job but also to navigate the complex dynamics of the modern workplace, contributing positively to your team and organization. In the context of distance education, hard skills are often easier to acquire because online platforms can deliver structured content, tutorials, and practice exercises effectively. Soft skills, in contrast, represent interpersonal and intrapersonal qualities that are not tied to a specific technical task but determine how effectively an individual works with others, solves problems, and adapts to change. Therefore, distance education is a distinct environment that actively cultivates crucial professional competencies. These are the behavioral traits of autonomy, adaptability, and digital communication that are essential for success in the modern workplace. By recognizing this unique dynamic, we can begin to intentionally guide our students toward a richer, more powerful educational experience. Now, let's see what are the common skills developed in a distance education context that are essential to acquire professional capabilities. Part 2. Tools and strategies to enhance skills. While the list of soft skills is extensive, including emotional intelligence, leadership, and resilience, the distance education environment is particularly well suited for the development of a specific set of abilities. These skills are often refined by the unique pedagogical and technological demands of remote learning. These key areas are self-management, digital collaboration, and asynchronous communication. We'll show you not only how these skills are developed, but also how you can help students identify and showcase them. In distance education, the very platform and methodology we use serve as powerful tools for skill acquisition. The technologies used for online learning go far beyond simple video conferencing. They are laboratories for professional development. Learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle or Canvas, these platforms are not just for organizing content, they teach students to navigate complex digital environments. By using an LMS, students master digital literacy and information management, two fundamental skills in the modern workplace. Collaborative software, for example, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, or Miro. These are the digital equivalents of a conference room. By requiring students to work on shared documents, spreadsheets, or virtual whiteboards, we are training them in virtual collaboration and teamwork. They learn how to contribute, provide feedback, and resolve conflicts asynchronously, which is a highly valued skill in remote work. Project management tools, for example Trello or Asana. By encouraging students to use these tools for their individual or group projects, we are teaching them self-direction and time management. They learn to break down large assignments into smaller tasks, set deadlines, and track their own progress, skills that directly transfer to managing professional projects. Presentation and multimedia tools, for example, Prezi or Viand. Moving beyond PowerPoint, using more dynamic tools to create presentations or video content pushes students to develop their creativity and communication skills. They must learn to tell a compelling story in a visually engaging format. AI-powered tools, for example, ChatGPT, Grammarly or Midjourney. As discussed in your video, these tools are not just for cheating. They are powerful assistants for critical thinking and efficiency. A student who uses AI to outline an essay must first master how to ask the right questions, a key problem-solving skill. A student who uses Grammarly to refine their writing is learning to communicate with clarity and precision. By doing this, we transform our distance learning programs into powerful engines for talent development, preparing graduates not just with degrees, but with the practical, digital agility required for the remote and hybrid workplace. Part 3. Generative AI as a professional development assistant. As we navigate the evolving landscape of distance education, one technology demands our critical and immediate attention: generative artificial intelligence, AI. In this section, we'll explore how AI can serve as a powerful catalyst for developing professional skills, and why it also presents serious risks when used without discernment. In the context of distance learning, AI tools are not just tech novelties, they are engines for personalized skill development. When used responsibly, AI can significantly accelerate the acquisition of professional competencies. Instant, personalized feedback. Unlike traditional feedback loops that may take days, AI tools provide immediate, targeted feedback. A student submitting a financial analysis or a coding assignment can receive instant suggestions for correction or improvement. This rapid iteration cycle helps students master practical, hands-on skills more efficiently. AI-powered platforms can create sophisticated virtual simulations, from business negotiations to customer service interactions. These simulations allow students to practice real-world decision-making in a risk-free environment, helping bridge the gap between theory and practice. Curated, adaptive learning. AI algorithms can analyze a student's performance and tailor learning paths accordingly. Whether suggesting specific case studies, articles, or skill-building exercises, AI supports continuous, self-directed learning, a crucial professional competency in today's workplace. In short, when applied strategically, AI acts as a super mentor, adapting to each learner's pace and providing the focused, deliberate practice essential for professional growth. There are practical applications cases where students can directly apply AI in their personal and professional development. Skills gap analysis and smart job search. AI can analyze a resume or portfolio and compare it against job descriptions to highlight gaps. Also can recommend job or internship opportunities based on a unique combination of interests and skills, not just keywords. AI platforms simulate realistic interview environments using natural language processing. Students receive instant, objective feedback on tone, pacing, filler words, content quality, and even body language if using a camera. In the same way, AI analyzes your resume against thousands of successful applications for a given role and helps you to align your resume with applicant tracking systems, increasing visibility to recruiters. Furthermore, AI assists in drafting LinkedIn summaries, impactful cover letters, or professional articles that establish your expertise. While the benefits are clear, misusing AI poses real dangers, especially when it becomes a shortcut rather than a learning tool. These risks must be addressed to maintain the integrity of professional education. The risk of unskilled use. 1. Hallucinations and misinformation. AI can generate content that sounds accurate but is factually incorrect. Students who don't verify this information risk building work on false foundations, a critical failure in any professional context. 2. Bias amplification. AI systems are trained on real-world data, which often contains social and systemic biases. Uncritical use can lead to unethical conclusions, undermining a student's ethical reasoning and awareness, core elements of professionalism. The erosion of core skills. 1. Diminished critical thinking. If AI handles all analysis and argumentation, students skip the cognitive struggle that builds original thinking. Critical thinking isn't about conclusions, it's about the process of reaching them. 2. Loss of information literacy. Relying on AI for answers discourages students from cross-referencing, contrasting viewpoints, or evaluating sources. This undermines their ability to make informed, balanced decisions, vital in high-stakes professional environments. 3. Weakening of writing skills. If students default to AI for drafting communication, they miss out on developing their voice, structure, and expression. The result, good prompters, but poor communicators, a serious liability in any career. Let's see an example of AI for the academic field. The University of Salamanca has launched a pioneering project based on artificial intelligence, AI, with a clear objective, to revolutionize career guidance and professional development. This project seeks to integrate AI into the academic field to improve efficiency and automate processes, complementing in-person attention. Offer continuous support to students and alumni at every stage of their career. Create an interactive platform specialized in career guidance, training, and job searching. To achieve this, they have developed a conversational AI assistant, a chatbot designed to be a key ally on the user's professional journey. This assistant offers highly personalized services. Professional profile optimization. It analyzes and evaluates your resume, detects possible skill gaps, and suggests concrete improvements to strengthen your profile. Job search strategies. It identifies the most suitable job offers for your profile and advises you on the best strategies for applying to them. Training for success. It prepares you for selection processes through interview simulations, providing constructive feedback for you to gain confidence. Tailored training. It proposes a personalized training plan to improve your employability. They highlight their own program, from Reels to the Real Job, along with a selection of high-quality courses from other entities. In conclusion, distance education has transcended its original role as a mere alternative to in-person learning. It has emerged as a dynamic and powerful environment for cultivating essential professional skills. The unique demands of this model naturally foster key soft skills like self-direction, time management, and digital literacy. Students are no longer passive recipients of information but active, self-directed learners who must take ownership of their education, a skill set highly valued in the modern workplace. Furthermore, educators have the opportunity to move beyond traditional instruction and become career mentors, designing learning experiences that intentionally build professional competencies. By integrating activities that require collaborative digital tools, peer feedback, and critical online research, we can make the connection between academic tasks and real-world skills explicit for our students. This turns a course into a deliberate professional development program. Finally, generative AI can be a transformational force in professional education, but only if used intentionally, ethically, and with critical awareness. As educators and learners, our challenge is not to reject AI, but to integrate it wisely, as a partner in learning, not a substitute for it. Technology alone doesn't teach. People do. And it's our responsibility to teach people how to use technology with purpose and integrity. We hope that this information was useful for you. Thank you very much for your attention.